Hi everyone and welcome back to Crafting with Kate, and today we're making this card. So we'll get crack-a-lacking. I think I use Rich Razzleberry here, so today I'm going to change it to red. So I've got my card mat. Oh, and we're using Betsy Blooms. It's an old stamp set, but a good stamp set. So we'll push that down a bit. Fandabulous. That's that one. I've cut out, I did stamp and I cut out 2 flowers. I did that ahead of time because it's easier on me. So I'm going to put one of the flowers around about there, and the other flower around about there. Then I'm using red, yellow and green. So I'm going to put that one there. Red, I don't know why I said yellow, it's orange, should I say. We'll put one there. We'll put one there. Get some more leafage. Now, I'm not putting a sentiment on because it says it for itself. Like so, and then we'll get some Diamantes before we stick it down. I know I'm doing it backwards way around, but that's just me, isn't it? Backwards way around. So I'm just placing a few Diamonds, or you could use you know, like Nouveau drops or anything of that nature, and you're not in the middle. Thank you very kindly. That's that. I'll get my card base, my gluage, and I do have a bit of Nouveau drops here, and I'm going to place this right in the middle here for something different to look at instead of just Diamantes. So guys, what do you think? I've done a bit more on this one than I did with this one, because I made a bit of a mess of it, but there you go. What do you think? A card under 5 minutes. But obviously, you know, I didn't cut my card out, blah blah, and all that lot in front of you, but it's an under 10 minute card anyway. So thanks for watching, guys. Do appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. It'd be awesome. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see something else. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Or if you're a new subscriber, leave me a comment, because algorithms, yeah, that as well. Algorithms mess up if you don't do a comment. So thanks for watching, guys. See you all soon. Bye.